Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can get gold notes on Instagram. So first thing first that you need to do here is make sure that your Instagram is updated. So go to your Google Play Store if you're using Android and App Store if you're using iOS device. And then go to the search box at the top and type here Instagram. Now, if you find an update button shows up here, you just have to tap on update and just have to wait until it's done updating your application. So from here, once you've done, you just have to tap on the open button to open up your Instagram. So Instagram notes are turning gold to celebrate the Paris Olympics. As athletes go for gold, so Instagram users can cheer them along and receive their own gold flare on their posted notes. However, not all notes turn gold, so the social media platform only recognizes a few keywords that make them change. So what keywords can turn your Instagram notes gold? So Olympic related keywords will turn your notes gold. The obvious or the most obvious of them is using the word gold in your note, but there are a few more terms and even emojis that will work. So here are the terms that will turn your notes gold. First up is the word gold, Olympics, Olympian, the podium, victory, medal, goat, torch, or the torch emoji, goat emoji, or the medals emoji. So once you use all the words there or the emojis, then it will turn your notes into gold. So for example, here, if we are going to try to type on gold, so it will automatically turn your notes into gold color or gold icon. So that's how you basically turn this gold on your Instagram. So here, as you can see, it's not going to work. So you can try your own Instagram app if you can access this feature to turn your notes into a gold. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.